on, look. See if I get a picture of him.
What's up, dudes? What are you three doing, man? Hey, what's up? Oh, I feel like feeding them, dude. Is it like legal or not? I mean,
this is unbelievable again.
I feel like I need to pay for the show, dude. At least feed them a little bit, dude.
Are they still all around us? Oh my gosh.
You guys want some frozen sardine?
All over. Crystal clear the water. Yeah. Like 6 over there. You guys want to keep staying in them? Or are you guys bored with them yet? Definitely not bored.
You don't get this every day, man. This is.
They could probably get bored of us.
Whoa!
Absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh.
Wow. Amazing is not the word. It's not. They don't think anything of this boat, dude. Just underneath it, no big deal.
They have been crabs.